Welcome to the Rock Your Class Math Minute, brought to you by me, your host, Etienne, with ideas and strategies taken from and inspired by the #1 best-selling book, Rock Your Class. Get ready for today's Math Minute topic.
Force.
What does the dictionary say?
Strength, energy, power, intensity.
Math rap.
A force is a push or pull. There's no disputing. A unit of force is known as a Newton. On doors and drawers, we use the force. It's not just used in Star Wars, of course.
Math rap.
Why did the students have their fill of this math term? Because they were tired of being force-fed the explanation. Explain force in your own words. What force is the forciest for you? Pushing or pulling? Test this out. Can you do more push-ups or pull-ups? Explain 1n equals 1 kg m/s squared? In English, please. You aren't in Star Wars, but list 5 different ways you use force daily. Now it's your turn for some inspection and reflection. You can rewind, rewatch, and pause any part of today's Math Minute. Complete the activity tool, then share your ideas with a partner, in a small group, or with the entire class. Enjoy exploring and discussing today's Rock Your Class Math Minute. May all your math minutes rock!